This is an introduction video for the POKY Analyzer Connector module. I am Mehdi Rahimi, a member of Professor Wong-Hee Lee Group at the University of Colorado, Denver. This plugin helps user to verify distance constraints generated after the calculation jobs. First, you need to save the results that you got in email from the server and extract the zip file. When you extract the file, you'll get these files. This is the result of your calculation job. Then open POKY and open the POKY Analyzer. You can use the two-letter code capital letter P lowercase a. Then set the working directory to the extracted files. Then click on Show Validation Tools. This will open two windows, the Distance Constraint Validator and Angle Constraint Validator. Sort by number of violations and select the violation here. Then click on View in a Spectrum. A hint will show up that you can use the two-letter code UP in the POKY main window now. Typing UP will open the POKY Analyzer Connector. The connection file should be already set. If it's not, you can use the Browse button to find the POKY.cnt between the extracted files. We are using a 2DCC right now. Click on the Update button. This will show the list of picks that are responsible for the distance constraint. Then click on the Update JI to investigate residue J, residue I peak. Double-clicking a peak in label list will visualize it on the corresponding spectrum.